Oh man, I would sell my soul to see the Toronto Maple Leafs win the Stanley Cup. I could make that happen. Really? Hell yes. Hey guys, welcome to another video. As a follow-up to my 9 rude or witty ways to say no, I thought I would do a video on slang ways to say yes. But before we jump in, I'd like to ask that you consider subscribing to the channel. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and of course, share this video so that other English learners can learn along with you. With that being said, let's jump right in. Hey, you want to go to the hockey game tonight? You betcha I do. Man, the weather this summer has been terrible. True dat. There's a new Vietnamese restaurant opening today. We should go. Faux show. We should definitely go. Mom, your cooking smells amazing. Darn tootin' it does. I'm gonna back up the car. There's nothing behind me, right? Good to go. Could you pass me the salt, please? Alrighty. Did you clean your room today? Uh-huh. After you're done, could you take the clothes downstairs and wash them? Okie dokie. Did you brush your teeth after dinner? Yep. Did you enjoy that movie? It was awesome. Okay guys, that's it. I hope this helped you add some things to your vocabulary. There are a ton of slang ways to say yes. If you know any that I left out, be sure to comment below. And of course, if you'd like to learn more, I have some more videos over here. As always guys, thanks for watching and I'll catch you over in the next video. Peace.